Does it actually have to be warm water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much do I have to drink?
The rest of
Well, it
us
doesn't
don't
have to be a
make
lot. You can do like a shot.
A shot?
Damn it.
Is it that bad?
Well, I'm just saying.
I'll do like a quarter of a glass or something like that.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh my god. Someone needs to moderate the chat and ban people here. I'm in timeout.
Okay.
Someone where are the mods right now?
You timed him out, really? Just a timeout? Wow, you guys are
Yeah.
really lenient in comparison to me.
Alright, well, I'm just giving the warnings. Like, keep the chat clean, at least. Try to keep it
Dude,
clean.
I don't know if warning's gonna really work with that, because that's not like an extreme thing. It's not like an accident kind of thing.
Yeah, thank you for the follow, Fiddle. Thank you, man.
Be dead.
I don't know where we're at right now. How many followers do we have right now? Let me check.
Yo, don't mod me.
Mod you? Okay, I'm gonna do that right now. What's your username again? I forgot.
Mdrewski1.
Ski
Like
one.
Mdrewski, but the I is.
Yeah, I got you. Oh wait, say it in village. Mod M
81 followers. Okay.
Ski.
Our
So,
cams are
man, your
frozen again.
Skype
There we go. You're at.
sucks for dick.
Did it? Oh my god. There it is.
Cams are frozen again.
Yeah, it's good now. I think.
Why are they freezing so much?
I don't know. All right. Patty did mod him.
Twitter being.
All right. I'm gonna go get stuff for the mustard and water. I'll be right back. I'm probably gonna die.
You're actually gonna. Oh, fuck it. Do you?
Oh, hey, look, our cams are moving again.
Hey,
What?
perfect timing.
All right, just keep on it on chat because I'm getting trolled hard in the chat.
If
All
somebody
right.
does anything like super serious, don't just fucking don't time them out because they're
All
gonna.
right, I'll be back.
Oh my god, dude! 100 Pekka is in here even though he's not in 5th place anymore. He's in 8th place.
Oh, ow.
I'm surprised all bad words are banned. Did he set it in there? I thought that
I really am a mod.
Apparently,
Oh,
that's not a bad word. No.
Oh wait, you're a mod, but Mike wasn't. Wow,
Yeah,
like,
you did me a mod. And
how
I
does that
didn't
make
know
you
what the
feel?
hell it was. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. Sweet.
Oh my god. Oh man. Got hand sanitizer. And it fucking smells like vodka. Hand sanitizer smells like vodka.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
100%. It's super gross. That's why I don't drink vodka ever.
There was a bunch of
I
guys.
thought you were about to say that's why I don't drink hand
just
sanitizer, and I was like,
decided
well,
to,
that's a
like,
general
snort
common
hand
sense thing.
sanitizer.
Ew. That
Yeah.
doesn't sound like fun at all. I don't fucking know.
No, they decided to never do it again.
Why?
No, isopropyl rubbing alcohol is pretty great.
Rubbing alcohol? Dude, I don't even know what rubbing alcohol is used for. Aside from like wounds.
And antiseptic.
Oh.
And cleaning things, it's,
I
yeah.
clean off my laptop and stuff with it.
Wait, you have it? What the heck? Why does everybody... What?
Well, I live with my grandma, so she has it.
Your grandma with the UMP...
But it's something I would have anyways, because I clean electronics with it. And jewelry.
I just use it
earrings
like
and stuff.
I have
pressurized
it too.
canister.
I have it too because I like to
Stings like
drink
a bitch
it.
when you have to put it on a pet.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, is that the weird brown stuff? Or am I thinking of something different?
It sometimes comes in a
That's
brown bottle.
iodine.
I don't know what either of those are, man. I don't fucking know what iodine is.
Iodine is for antiseptic, and so is rubbing alcohol.
God fucking damn it, dude.
Rubbing alcohol is clear and smells like vodka.
Ew.
It smells how vodka tastes.
Vodka's just... Ew.
Yo, we got 80 followers! Ah! Do we got any more? Have we got... yeah, no.
Oh shit! I forgot my hat. Hold on.
Oh, I got hand sanitizers all over me. Oh, it's a hand sanitizer. It smells like Christmas. But it's... I know for a fact it's not, because it's fucking gross.
Let's try and request a song.
It's like shitty...
Is that song request or request song?
Song request.
That's what I thought.
It's like shitty Christmas hand sanitizer that kind of smells like.
My, why isn't this working?
God damn it.
Hey, yo, man, you get the.
I got myself into.
You ready for it, Dylan?
Hey DJ.
Yo, it's
Hey, DJ, what's up?
Excited for this?
Welcome to the stream.
Hello, DJ Demo.
Okay.
When
So
I was walking home from work the other day, there was a dead mouse on the sidewalk, and at first I just thought, I was like, oh, a dead thing, and then I thought it was a mouse, and I laughed, because in my head I was like, haha, dead mouse.
look at this shit. I put way too much
Laugh
mustard.
at the poor thing dead on the sidewalk.
Yo,
Yeah.
I'm so ready to see this on stream.
Yeah,
I put so much mustard, it looks like lemonade.
Yo, hold on, turn on the. Oh,
Ew. Oh my god.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's warm. This is gonna fucking kill me. Should I make my webcam a bit bigger?
You should make it full screen,
Let's
or not
see.
full screen, but like pretty big, and then put all of us under it so we can all laugh with you.
Yeah.
Audience.
Is that me? That's me. This looks like fucking lemon. There's little like chunks of mustard too.
DJ Deadmau5 says I will give you 50k to get off Twitch forever.
Who?
DJ
Yeah, dude.
Deadmau5.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks.
Wow, 5,000K.
How many viewers have we got
50,
right now?
50k.
Oh,
If you're getting
shit.
50k, we're going to like Paris or somewhere.
We lost a lot of viewers. What's going on?
Don't go to Paris. It's not that great.
No, it's actually not. I'd rather go to Nice. I've been to Paris, and
God.
Nice is better.
Yeah, Paris is a little bit dirty.
Where did the viewers
kinda
go?
stinks
Yeah,
in
a
some
little bit.
places.
And they're pretty snooty.
Oh, really fucking snooty. Like Nice. Oh.
It's funny though.
Yeah,
You're
81
like,
followers.
oh my, these people are wow. Oh my.
yeah. It's still a beautiful city, but
Oh
certain
yeah.
parts aren't that.
Aside from like the rivers
The
being
smell of the
black and
face
things.
and everything. Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, other than that, nice place.
Fuck. Do I have to drink this?
The Eiffel Tower is great.
Yeah, yeah,
That's awesome. I went up at night and it was that was amazing.
It smells like mustard,
I wonder why it smells like mustard.
but it looks like lemonade. I'm gonna pretend it's lemonade.
Yeah, you just pretend it's
You know, for
lemonade.
April Fools, I'm gonna put a jug of lemonade in the fridge just for you, and get you some lemonade to drink.
Yep.
That's so
That's like doing the orange juice with the macaroni packets.
Fuck. I don't want to do this. It's so disgusting.
Why would you do that? It's just mean.
This is fucking mustard.
Come on.
Have you had it yet?
No.
Okay.
Oh, thank you, like
Turn
Sugar,
on
for
the
the
Skype
follow.
cam as well, because I want to see the real time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to see the
Do it on
video.
Oh.
Skype so I can actually see it as it happens.
That's gonna mess up your cams. I can't. Doesn't work.
Will it? Oh.
Doesn't work.
Well, hurry up and do it.
Oh shit! I just changed the cams around. Whoops.
Welcome, like Sugar.
That fucked up everything.
Do
Yeah,
you have
we've
a bucket
lost.
nearby to puke in if you do?
I don't have a bucket nearby.
You have plastic bags, which will be useless.
I
Grab your dirty laundry
get-
cover.
Yeah, just get something. I just suggest.
Okay. Hold on.
You have an empty baguette, an empty gift bag?
You have an empty baguette? What was that? Was that your cat?
No, that's him.
Okay, I'm good.
No.
Alright. Are you guys ready?
Here.
Why
Are you guys
are
ready?
Skype cams so fucked up?
I was
Does we
gonna
have
say,
16
he like
viewers?
totally messed those up.
But we lost a lot of viewers.
Yeah, no, we did. We lost a lot.
I still see 16.
I know, but there's way less than 16 now. Alright. I'm going.
God.
I hate that I have to wait to see it unfold.
Mmm.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
Yes. Ew.
Ah!
Ew. Oh my god.
Jesus.
Oh, ew!
Ew.
Yeah.
Oh my They're actually really fucking this.
Oh!
That was not enjoyable to watch at all.
It's so bad. Help! Send help!
Oh, okay, that was.
I see the hand.
So you guys, did you like my idea for warm water and mustard? Or not?
Oh,
Mm.
I did not enjoy that. That was bad.
I had a pretty good giggle.
Oh
I'm
my
surprised.
God.
It's okay.
Can I drink my juice now?